On this chart alone, I made $4,000. This chart right here made me $8,000. Hey, my name is Daniel and I've been trading for around a year and I've been able to make around $200,000. Now this is the quickest guide, so let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, you want to download an app like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance and buy some Solana. From this, you're going to go over to your computer and download the Phantom extension and make an account. Second, you're going to send the crypto that you just bought from your mobile app to your Phantom wallet on your computer. Now you're already ready to trade, so let's get on to the next steps. After you've made your Phantom wallet and connected your Google to it, now you should have your crypto in your wallet. Now I'm gonna have you guys download Twitter, since this is one of the best ways to find coins that are up and coming and even meet new traders so that you guys can learn even more. Second is to download Telegram and Discord. I only mainly use Telegram. Now here's the good part. You're gonna download a trading bot, something like Axiom works, which is what I use, but there is obviously other options. I'd say Axiom is all you need. It is one of the quickest trading bots and it actually gives you money back for using them. Make sure when you guys sign up, you do use my link down below and make sure that you are using my referral link. With this, you will get 10% off of all your fees when you're using them to trade. All right guys, now that you have your Axiom and you have some Solana loaded into your Phantom, let's get right into it. So first things first, we're on Axiom. You want to set up some filters. Now for me personally, I only have these protocols and then I also have no other filters. Second is final stretch. You only want to put 10 holders here as a minimum, and then second, you want to have the token age as 30 minutes. On average, tokens are pretty dead after 30 minutes, but obviously there are some gems that can run after 30 minutes. Once again, for protocols, I only have Pump and Bonk. These are the two most alive apps right now. Lastly is Migrated. I have a lot more protocols open. This is because I want to see these coins that are bonding as if there's maybe a trend going on with one of them. First off, look for the narrative. Is the coin relative to the trends that are going on right now in the real world or even in meme coins? Also, is the idea good and does it have a good name and also some people backing it up? This goes on to the second thing you want to look for, which is a community. Now you can do this by searching up the CA in Twitter. Another thing you can look for is the symbol like this, which means that there is a Twitter community for the coin and you could just press on it and see how many people are in there. Now third is something that you'll get as you become a better trader, but it's being able to identify charts and seeing if it is a good chart to actually buy. There is a lot of charts you guys won't be able to tell if it's a scam or not in the beginning, and that's why I actually have a video for it, so you guys can go check that out. Now here are 3 examples of meme coins that I actually send and how I actually make the most money. The first one is a meme coin. It's literally based off of a meme that is trending currently, even an animal or something that's just blowing up online. The second are coins based off of news. These are coins like maybe Donald Trump died or got sniped, then a coin would come out and this thing will absolutely blow up. Third are coins based off of tech. So let's say a new trading bot comes out and they actually create their own coin. This is one of the most scammiest coins, so I would want to stay away from tech coins mostly, especially if you're a beginner. But this is also one of the quickest ways you guys can make millions of dollars with meme coins. So now that you found the coin that you want to buy, what I would recommend is to aim for a dip. If you buy the dip, a lot of people will actually buy right after you, and then this will lead to you making more profits. Usually there is a fat dip after the coin migrates, and this is what you want to be looking for. A great example is this dog right here. We have Trench Dog and then we have Hero. Now obviously Hero is dead, but Trench Dog actually is still getting some motion, and that's literally fully based off a name. So people would rather buy Trench Dog than Hero. Now let's say that a copy came out and it was Trench Cat, and you could easily buy this thing over here in new pairs and be able to sell it really quick for a quick profit. Now obviously these coins are way more volatile since they are copies, and also they won't even go even to a quarter of the price. Now one of the biggest steps I have learned in meme coin trading is trade like everyone else is watching the same chart as you. A lot of the times you're going to want to feel the pressure to sell or the pressure to buy as the coin is going up. But here's the thing, everyone else feels this pressure. So if you see the coin absolutely nuke, then you most likely want to buy. And if you see the coin absolutely sending, then you most likely want to sell. This is just something you'll learn as you keep on trading, but that is a major key when trading. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this quickest tutorial. Subscribe and watch my other videos for longer, more in-depth tutorials.